Hello everyone, so for today's video I have some more cleaning motivation for you guys. This is going to be a clean with me video. I'm going to clean up my whole house. But first I want to tell you about an awesome deal on the Grove Collaborative website. Right now you can get a free Mrs. Meyers body wash, a free Mrs. Meyers body lotion, loofah, and also a free 60-day VIP trial. All of this you can get for free with my link down below if you are a new customer to Grove. You don't want to miss out on this awesome deal, so definitely go and take advantage of this deal while it's happening. And if you are an existing customer with Grove, you can still get a Grove lip balm for free with the link down below. So go and check it out, go get all this stuff for free. It's an awesome deal and you don't want to miss out. And I got my body wash and lotion in the scent honeysuckle, and it smells amazing, but they have a ton of other scents that you can pick from, but the honeysuckle does smell really good. So now back to the cleaning. I started off in the living room and then I just worked my way room by room through the house cleaning as I went. I filmed this video on a Monday. It had been a really busy weekend. We were going a lot of places, and so there was a bunch of shoes by the door and random things that had just kept building up over the weekend. Then from there I moved on to cleaning up the kitchen, and the kitchen was quite messy. Like I had said, it had been a busy weekend, so I didn't get a lot of time to do dishes over the weekend. I've been loving this Caldria countertop spray in the scent Sea Salt. This is from Grove. It smells really good. then I moved on to cleaning up the bedrooms, and I didn't film cleaning up the boys' bedrooms, but they surprisingly weren't that messy. There was just a couple things to pick up in there. And the last rooms to clean were the bathrooms, and the cleaner that I'm using is the Method Window and Surface Cleaner. I love to use this in the bathrooms. It has like a minty smell to it. And then I'm using a Grove microfiber cloth. And then lastly, I vacuumed the living room carpets. And that was all of the cleaning that I got done today. I hope that you enjoyed this clean with me video and that you got some cleaning motivation from it. If you enjoy seeing cleaning videos, then give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.